Hey everybody, welcome. This is Sheri with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. I am back at the dentist yet again for looking at my implant, and I've learned so many things through this, or rather I should say it's made me think about so many life lessons with this that I've shared with you. One is that you want to get rid of those things in your life that no longer serve you. You want to extract them. And things that you want in your life, you make space for them so that you can implant permanently what is going to serve you. That was the first video. Also, recently I posted a video about my lesson on community, where here at the dentist, everything I've had done with the extraction and the implant, I couldn't do alone. And anything you're wanting to do worthwhile in your life, you can't do alone either. It takes a team of people. It takes a community. Well, today when I was at the dentist, I got to thinking about fake it. And it's because right now with all of this, I have a fake tooth, and I'm not going to take it out to show you. It's kind of gross to do that. There's a little too much information. But I do have this fake tooth in right now because I've had a tooth extracted and have an implant done. Well, with fake it, I got to thinking about a saying that I've had for years and that I've shared with clients, and that is, live what I want, even though it feels unnatural. And specifically it is, live the life you want, even if it feels unnatural at first. Live in line with who you want to be. And that, in essence, is faking it. So it's like this fake tooth I have right now. It's not comfortable. It doesn't feel normal. It doesn't feel like it's part of who I am, because it's not part of who I am. However, it is something that is important, and it's important that I go ahead and deal with it even though it doesn't feel normal. So whenever you are starting a new habit, whenever you're starting a new endeavor, you have a new goal this year that you've been working on, you want to make sure that even though it feels uncomfortable, that you stay with it anyway, because it normally takes quite a while, several weeks to even several months, for a new habit to begin to feel more normal to you. And you're going to make mistakes. Things are not going to feel, and in fact, you don't want to even to think about the fact that you've got to be able to have it feel normal before you start. Sometimes we want to wait until something feels normal. We want to wait until something feels natural for us to start. And it's not going to feel that way until we've already been doing it for a while. So think about that. Think about what your goal is. Think about and accept the fact that it's not going to feel natural or normal to start out with, but do it anyway. Now, there are some ways to speed up that process, and I've got some things at the end of January. See, there I go swallowing strange because of this fake tooth in my mouth. They've got some things at the end of January. The last 7 days of January, I want to share with you the 7 principles that can make those habits stick faster, that can make it easier for those habits to feel normal for you faster, so that you're not wasting time and energy with them not feeling normal for you for the first few weeks that you're doing it. So if you're interested in learning what those 7 principles are, shoot me a message and I'll get you on the list so that you can be part of it. It's going to be called 7 by 7 Fit, because it'll be the last 7 days of January, the 7 principles, and you only have to commit to 7 minutes a day to get this going in your mind and practicing these things so that they become more normal, more natural for you. So remember the saying as well, I live the life I want, even if it feels unnatural at first. I live in line with who I want to be. So whoever it is you want to be this year, go do it, even though it's not going to feel normal or natural or second nature to you at first. Thanks so much, and we'll see you all next time.